We almost arrived at our next camping trip. It's not camping this time. We are renting a cottage. So there is the Tom Sawyer. Oh, I'm sorry. I think I just passed it. Oh no! I need to make a U-turn now.
Oh, ni dah lah cottage-nya.
Yeah. Oh, so it's close to the river.
Yeah.
Wait, I need to find it.
赤もこの前でね、今はもうトラウマになっています。でも今日はキャンピングじゃなくてよかった。
Wait. Drop. Okay, come follow me. You need to pick up the
What?
sheet or the putong and also.
No enough?
Huh?
No enough?
They have that one is for the pillow and there for the futong. And you know that futong they have two type of futong, right? Kaki futong and also slip futong.
I see.
So now we need to pick up one more. By the way, I did not get pay, okay?
You didn't what?
You need to do it by yourself.
There's no discount
Yeah,
for this.
unfortunately. And this is going to be so we this time we rent two cottage. So this is a big one, number 10 and number 9.
The large size cottage.
Yeah, and the number 10 parking is down here. Number 9 is up here. So this is where we can do the barbecue. Okay, and they have the air conditioner. This is summer today, so it's hot. And we need to take it by ourselves.
But
This is the makura cover, the pillow cover, and this is the
self-service kah?
yeah, and this is the bed cover. And I asked about the Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi. They say that the purpose is for the digital detox. You are too depending on the technology. Wait. I did not think about it, so the key is at the bottom. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum wa ala ibadikas solihin.
Amin. Where is the light?
Ooh. This is straight away toilet. Toilet and the shower, the tub. Yeah, some insect in there.
Where?
Insect kana? So I don't know what's something inside the tub. What's that?
This is just a
3? Is a kitchen with a refrigerator. Ta-da! And a Benshi Renji. All the equipments. Huh? Oh, they thrown? What's that? Oh, the key. This is the
Oh, this is the room.
dining room.
Wow.
Oh, it's so big.
Big.
I thought it's just half of it.
Yeah.
This is and this is for
This
the
is the place for where you can take all of the mattress and also the pillow. So we have 2 rooms.
luckily I bring my pillow.
But this one only have fan.
Yeah.
This one don't have a.
Maybe we can open the door so we share aircon.
So this is the place. Where's the light? Oh, this is switch. Oh, I like this kind of like house. This is actual.
Nah.
Look,
Huh?
this is like the actual log house.
Ah.
It's nice.
Oh, dia bukannya sengaja buat macam tu. Dia memang terbuka. Perempuan ada berapa orang? 9 dah tadi. 3, 7.
Yup.
7.
Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7. Next. To the next house.
Yalah, aku buka lah.
Hey, look at Ayako. How is Ayako? The camera. Not the camera. Is it good or is it nice? Look up here. It's so tall. If you look here, and up here, and up here. Wait, this one is hanging up here, so it's okay. Look from here, it's so high. Yes? Yes. I will go down. Kaka. Up there. This is how high is it? If you fall from here, it's so surprising, right? So, if you don't want to fall and get hurt, then don't go down from here. You can use this stair. See? I'm going to go down with the stair now.
Okay.
Selamat pergi dan jalan.
Kayu tak habis lah. Habiskan kayu lah. Ha? Habiskan kayu lah. Boleh je. Okay. Kalau boleh nak ada tak dapat. Tapi dia tinggal biji. Buka. Cheese tu ini ya? Sushi tu. Aburi.
Selamat Aburi. Malam ni hujan tak?
Oh, hujan eh?
Berapa? 7 hari.
Oh.
Dijangka.
Nampak lagi. Kena settle sikit. Biar Kim kenyang.
Ada berapa tiang ni tadi?
Ada 4 tiang. Dia biasanya ni, tengah ni. Yang ke tengah ni. Oh, okey. Tengah lagi. Tengah tekan ni, dia ada lubang ni tengah.
Oh ni.
Ha. Jadi semua ni
Ni sosir. Sosir tak apa, sosir kejap lah. Kalau budak ni nak makan sosir, bakul je lah. Sosir mentah je ni. Potong dah, agak jangan potong untuk ni. Untuk BBQ. Saya merasmikan dulu boleh?
Baik. Tengok rasa mana dia ikut tu tambah.
Okey. Wow.
Dia punya ni fireproof prawn.
Oh. Oh, betul bagi ni.
Okey Adi. Rasa baik.
Okey. Kalau ada tarik lagi okey. Rasmi ni sekali tu bukan tu.
Oh, ais ada tu.
Dah.
Ni ais apa?
Macam tak lancar.
Ya, rasa dulu.
Okey.
Rasa dulu. Tak penuh kan? Tak penuh kan?
Kita pergi mandi.
Dalam air.
Tengah esok kita meet dengan lain.
Tak manis.
Sedap ah. Sedap. Dah. Okey dah. Cuba.
Sudah.
Kalau balik kalau dapat ni lah. Kembali.
Dia kira ni lah. Kena letak yang atas lah.
Ha?
Jawatan.
Jawatan.
Letak yang atas lah.
Dah, jawatan. Oh, satu je. Kina sebelum masuk Japan. Sebelum masuk. Okey, banyak produk dia semuanya.
Korang baju tak tu. Tak tergerak hati sampai ke baju.
Dia tak sampai masuk hati.
Dia
Tak. Baru sampai sini. Esok masuk dia dekat grup tu. Okey, bagus baju Syafal. Semua bagus baju Syafal.
Ini masa exam tu ramai orang tak?
Wih, 200 dah Sosai. Ha? Tadi tu speed. Oh, habis dah Sosai? Habis dah. Ada 2 speed. Sosai dah habis. Tinggal daging.
jagung mana?
Oh, jagung. Oh, jagung. Mana jagung ni? Jagung tu banyak tu. Dah buat. Banyak sangat. Oh, bukan.
Tak semua lah tak
Satu ada 6. Boleh kau buka ni semua. Satu je.
Buat 2 paket dah, 5 paket dah.
Dah, satu paket tu dah 6 dah.
Yalah.
Buka 2 paket lah, 2 paket. Hati-hati Amish.
Kenapa tu manis?
Kuat tu.
Kamu tak boleh.
Kenapa kau buat macam mana? Kenapa tak ni? Dekat boh. 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Cottage trip. Mantap! Dia letak kaki kecil balik.
Nalina.
Okey. Hari Raya Aidilfitri hari yang mulia. Setahun hanya sekali merayakan hari yang mulia ini.
Hamdan. Tak nak.
Habis dah tu dia punya gas. Dah.
Ni ada lagi 2 ni. Ada mi, mana last one? Adik. Tengok apa?
The next morning.